Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Honeywell FocusPro 6000 thermostat and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this thermostat not working, not controlling your devices properly, stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is just if you're trying to get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box as a new device for whatever reason, if you're setting it up in a new home or whatever, we can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is we're going to come on the thermostat and we're going to press and hold the up arrow and with solid fill and the fan button. And we're going to press and hold those, and then we're going to change the number on the left to 90 and the number on the right to 1. Once we do that, we'll press done, and that will automatically trigger a factory reset of this thermostat, at which point we can just go ahead and set it up as though it were a brand new device coming out of the box.